Let's make this amazing presentation in PowerPoint using Morph transition. Add 3 titles. Now add 3 rectangles and change their background color. Add some images in every rectangle and adjust them like this. Duplicate the slide, expose the first title, and increase the size of images in the first rectangle like this. Duplicate the slide again, hide the first title, decrease the size of images in the first rectangle, and expose the second title. Now increase the size of images in the second rectangle. Duplicate the slide, hide the second title, and decrease the size of images in the second rectangle. Now expose the third title and increase the size of images in the third rectangle. Now select all the slides and apply Morph transition. Subscribe our channel for more creative tutorials.